Hello world, this is LockpickingDev. Today I have an EVVA GPI. It is 5 pins, full of security pins, and the bitting on it is pretty extreme. So let's see how we do. I'm going to use a bottom of the keyway turner tool, and I'm going to start out with this hook and probably graduate to a deeper one. And I've been experimenting with this McNally turning tool, and so far I'm liking it. It gives me a little leverage room when I place it right. Reposition my hands here for the tool. I don't use bottom of the keyway turning pressure and vices that often. There we go. Pin 1 there just got us into a nice false set. You can visually see that pin 1's pretty high up though, so pin 1 is not the one that is in the false set. It doesn't feel to be pin 2 or in the back. Here we go. Then one again. Oh. There's that spool. I felt like it was in the back there. Yeah, I think that's it right there. There we go. There's our open. Right in the back there, pin 5 was our last pin. And so, yeah, I did say it was extremely aggressive bitting. So there we go. The first pin is right there. That is the first cut. It is all the way up. And then, yeah, very high, low, high, low. Oops, sorry about that. And then I will cut and gut this for you. So it's all gutted, and you can see that it did. It had 3 spools in it. And the rest standard. I think the others pins might be steel, not positive, but these ones are definitely brass and noticeably different. But yeah, that is the EVVA GPI, and the core, nothing special about that. There's no counter milling or anything in that at all. So you can see that. So nothing special there. So also same with the housing. There's nothing special going on there. So there we go. There was the EVVA GPI, and yeah, the most wild thing about this one is the keyway there and the bitting. Really fun locks. EVVA are great locks. Highly recommend picking a lot out. Alright everyone, thanks for watching.